Here's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, we're going to take a ride in a wheelchair lift here in the Gymnasium of Building A on the Kishwaukee College campus in Malta, Illinois. I would start in the bottom, but there seems to be some kind of volleyball practice going on. So we're going to start from here. And just like one of the other wheelchair lifts I've ridden, this one is a Bella. And I was put in 2012. Now notice that on this one, for a call button, there only seems to be one button instead of an up and down. So pushing and holding the button, but I guess it's only necessary to have one call button since the only direction you only need to call it to from here is up. So with that said, I'm going to get in it and take it for a spin and write it down. Jesus, that was loud. Alright, here we are at the bottom landing. And now we're going to take it back up. Hopefully it doesn't make that cringy noise like it did on the way down to the bottom. Well, we're going to look up going up. Here we go. Alright, here we're back up the top, and this lift doesn't seem to be as obnoxiously loud as the other lifts here, except for that one section of the shaft when going down. Probably hasn't been oiled in a while or something. We'll get a cab view of the lift right here. Looks very similar to the other one down the hallway that I just rode earlier. Yep, you can see this is indeed a Bella lift. Your control panel right there. Your emergency call button. And it seems like this one's also maintained by DMA elevators and lifts. So now I'll exit the elevator from here. And now we're going to end the video. So hope you all enjoyed, and that's it.